NP family, Alicia here, introducing you to the chocolate. No, I'm just kidding. My Best Hair Starter Kit. And it is, if you're not familiar with the My Best Hair Starter Kit, it's basically the way for you to be on your way to your best hair life, no matter what your hair type is, right? Like, one thing about Nptresstreats, I don't care what kind of hair you have. I'm all about saving time, what's easiest, sleeping cute, being you. That's it. That's it. Like, I don't, like, that's what Nptresstreats is about. Whatever is the realest you to make you feel the happiest. That's it. That's all I'm here to do, is make you feel beautiful, and whatever, doesn't matter. However you feel the most beautiful. Anyway, that was a quick sidebar. But back to introducing you to the My Best Hair Starter Kit. So this is the My Best Hair Starter Kit, and it includes a scrunchie. This is a scrunchie, a bonnet, and a satin scarf. Again, this is the chocolate one. And so with the My Best Hair Starter Kit, I mean, options are endless, right? Like I always say, options are endless, because you can do bonnet, you can have the scrunchie for yourself, give it to a friend, throw it in your purse, wear it on your wrist, do a pineapple, doesn't matter. You can sleep with the scarf, cover your pillowcase with the scarf. You can put the scarf on your hair, cover it with the bonnet. You can wear the scarf one week, the bonnet one week, and rotate them, like when you're washing one, because washing your treats is so important. Make sure you're washing your treats. And yeah, I mean, options are endless. It's definitely the best buy, because you do get those 3 pieces. And I mean, it's perfect. I mean, let's just face it, it's perfect. So anyway, that is the chocolate My Best Hair Starter Kit. Don't forget to get yours.